Let's go, folks! How are we today? Happy Saturday. Oh, it feels so good. Feels so good to be with you guys. Welcome back to Collateral, the all-in-one engineering workspace. This is where we're going to be working in the future, folks. Is this beautiful infinite canvas, all your tools tied together, all in one beautiful environment. Folks, if you guys like the topics, if you guys like the subject matter, if you guys like everything that you're seeing here, make sure you give this a thumbs up, make sure you follow, and we will see you guys with more content in the future. But for now, let's get to work with the first prompt of the day. All right, well, I got to figure out what we want to do here first. Oh, there's a lot of pull requests that we still haven't sent off yet. By the way, I got rid of the Codex one. I think we're all in on Claude Code. Frankly, I just don't... using the 20x plan, I just don't use it as much as I should be. So we gotta get going on it. We do plan on shipping Collateral, guys. Friday the 17th. There she is in all of her glory. Oh. Well, there we go. First prompt of the day. Make it so that when I'm in the new event tab at the calendar, you need to allow me to be able to click escape to close that, and then also press enter to be able to save. You should also have like an X at the top right corner there. And then the start and end time button tabs kind of overlap with each other. I need you to fix that, make it look nice. And then don't say notifications bell when you say notify me at the start time. Get rid of that part too. All right, first prompt of the day sent. Now, mind you guys, I have been working along off stream as well. I do want to show you, we've been doing some really good progress on our clipping agent. If you guys haven't noticed on the channel, we've been killing it with the amount of clips coming out. The goal is to remain consistent in uploading content, 3 shorts a day on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. We're aiming for maybe 1 long form video a day. It's a lot of content, but I know once I get this clipping agent out, it's the exposure that we're gonna get. By the way, the music is way too loud. There we go. I know that we will get the content that we need coming out. Once this clipping agent is out, then we can have that constant exposure. And that constant exposure to giving the world Collateral is exactly what we need. So come on, folks, let's keep pushing. So I have a Collateral demo. I also want to have a YouTube platform. Mind you, I thought I did this. YouTube. So if I save that, there we go. We got a YouTube one. Oh, it's because I had it in here. Okay, YouTube. YouTube calendar. Ship Collateral. Ooh. That is a prompt, and it might be a Fable one, guys. I want it such that when we drop an event in a calendar, it stays only within that project. So if I were to open another project, I shouldn't see that event in the calendar. You need to make it project exclusive. That's likely Opus. We'll send it off there. I'm trying to be conservative with my Fable usage because you guys know how fast that stuff goes. All right, we're at 29%, but we got 2 hours. We're gonna make this a quicker stream, guys. One thing I noticed is clipping. I am trying to get clips out of this stream here, and I find it's the easiest when we just simply have a stream that's less than 1 hour. If you guys saw, we have a new YouTube video out. I'll show you guys everything we got going on YouTube. There's my whole world. Let's view our channel. There's a live stream. New video, 4 views already. Let's go. 3 hours ago. And we've just been doing really well with the shorts here, guys. Pretty much 1,000 views there, 1.4 there. This I just uploaded. We're at 800 already. I noticed it's these quick, silly ones that get a lot of views. This got 550. So far, none of them turn out to be a flop. This one did. But if I were to go to... Here, I'll just... If I were to go to Instagram... Or TikTok, maybe. No, on TikTok that got 259. And Instagram... Sorry, just pulling this up all by myself here. Yeah, 113. So that was a weaker video. And that's okay. That is entirely okay. They all can't be hard hitters. Okay, and I want to see like what makes that a weaker video. You constantly getting rate limited. Like you need to build a professional brand if you want. The one. Where'd you go? This is our weakest video. You can easily build a successful business using Claude and just a couple marketing tricks that I'm going to show you. Is it this intro? Just across the Google from Corbin, who essentially is telling us right here that no matter what you're building, in reality, no one's going to know what you're building unless you truly. Maybe it's because I take way too long. Saturated with AI slop. It's never been more important to build your personal brand around what you're building. And that's exactly why I want. I think it takes way too long. That took 22 seconds to get to what the heck I'm talking about. People are dropping off too quick there. We have to simply just have a better intro card than Google Images Claude. I don't know. I thought that was an okay one. I've done worse. I mean, well, the other intros. This one's a silly video. Fable 5 is going to disrupt the industry, and you need to do something about it. Why is this not previewing? Come on. Fable 5 came out, and you can ease. Fable 5 is going to disrupt the industry, and you need. This is the one. Constantly getting rate limited like this guy. It might be the way that you are prompting. Yeah, that's just a tweet. User Fable. It's obviously still early, guys. We have 3, 6, 9 videos up. We got to keep putting them up. And that's exactly what we're talking about here with our clipping agent. So I am going to capital command deny. I'm simply just going to update this and then see what clips we can get out of potentially, you know, a later video that we can get. And then yeah, I have a prompt that comes out of this that eventually can just submit everything to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram all at the same time. Because right now I am dying just trying to piece all those together. I'm manually publishing those all on the same platform, guys. It is quite difficult. But mind you, it's nothing that's going to stop me. So we got to be consistent. We're uploading every single day for the next whoever knows how many years it's got to be, guys. Okay. We had a problem. At least year looks good. I wonder, is that accurate? Oh, I don't want to pull that up. Almost did that on stream. Whoops. How many days? July 31st is there. August 30th. Yeah, it's up to date. That's awesome. Cool. Okay. Okay, anyways. I still want to try to get Claude Desktop NPM run bridge to run without it use manual mode prompts. Start the collateral local bridge. Turns messy client notes. Yeah, the whole point was this was supposed to open like a terminal. I'm gonna simply just ask away, like, what are you talking about with this? So I'm trying to, on collateral, get It's so that we can get like a Claude Code terminal that shows up on the Canvas environment, and it's telling me that I need to start up a collateral local bridge. I need you to explain to me what this is and step-by-step, one at a time instructions in order to have this actually going for collateral. Mind you, I'm just working on Vercel, so I don't anticipate it to actually be working, but we're launching in 2 weeks, and therefore I want it to be working for then. Okay. Either way, I might have to go tool by tool just to make sure everything's looking a little bit better. Quick beam. Quick beam I'm proud of. I think we need a better... Oh, goodness. Oh, that's weird. Quick Fable. I need you to review how the quick beam tool, like how we're able to like drag the length. It seems to be very finicky. It seems like to be jumping every once in a while. And it's just not appropriate. Also, the UDL, the way that the loading is established on that, it's very cool. However, it needs to be just easier just to change the magnitude up and down of a UDL, as opposed to making it like a linear distributed load. Okay, one tool at a time, guys. We're gonna just cook through these. You know what? I'm very kind of stuck on this. Goodness gracious. Oh, I know a good prompt. We need it such that OpenWeb steel joists have a handoff tool that is the steel truss and frame designer. We need it such that this handoff tool, based on the dimensions and the suggested depth and everything that is from the schematic frame designer, the steel truss designer needs to automatically have like this truss already drawn out, like at least the length of it, and then maybe the depth, and then like you could have like a suggested web pattern with this, and then it already has the loads and the support reactions all in place. So it's like when the user clicks the handoff tool, that OpenWeb steel joist analysis is already almost set in place. And then they just, it's a matter of them just making like small iteration fixes to it. And then therefore like linking it back to the schematic frame designer card, therefore then like has those things connected. So then the exact design of it is perfectly in place there. And then with that, we could have like an OpenWeb steel joist, separate like shop drawing package that shows like all the joists and their design and utilization, similar to what like a Can-Am joist design package would be like. We're going to do Fable High there, guys. Other than that... Furthermore, I just need you to review the steel truss designer for completeness. I need you to review like what a total OpenWeb steel joist design package would look like and make it so that this tool provides exactly that. I wouldn't worry too much about scaling grid. You can honestly get rid of that on the left sidebar. Cool. All right, next tool. Oh, I don't like that. Well, it's because I was in focus mode. Oh, mind you, I'm doing this in YouTube. I guess we'll stay clean. Okay, our YouTube calendar. This is everything to us, guys. Well, it might be like a to-do list type thing. Oh. I don't like that. Opus. I need you to see from the screenshot when I extend the extent of the calendar too far, then that it just stops and then it just creates a lot of dead space at the bottom. I need it such that no matter how far I drag it down, that like it just extends the calendar into this fitting. Oh, have I been working in the wrong collateral? No, we've been okay, guys. We're gonna quickly merge.
I just wish you knew.
Our capital command. I need you to merge pull requests from today to main. Resolving conflicts along the way. Okay. And we're going to take a look at our clipping agent while we're on stream here, guys. Why not? Why not? Okay. Tool editing. Cool. Ooh, I wonder. One second, guys. I got a good idea for a prompt. I want it such that based on the projects and like the building types that are like in the project active project database, that we can also allow for like archived projects, so then that can be like stored elsewhere. Maybe like put a button next to new/edit project and like say show archived projects simply, and then that shows like projects that are archived there. And then with that, we should have somewhere within Collateral Business, whether it's already a tool that we could change or it should be a new tool, like a new dropped thing, is we have it such that it kind of keeps track of our project portfolio. And so it organizes through the active projects and the archived projects, and then therefore allows it shows like the data of like, this is a percentage of your project portfolio is like commercial buildings, residential buildings, etc. And it shows like a summary of like those projects and number of tools, lots of data and information, and it should also be visual too. It can link into like the other business things based on those projects and like make a comparison. Yeah, make this with beautiful user interface with the collateral theme. Keep it simple. Simple, simple, simple. Oh, and I know one more part that I would need to say. And then finally, we should also allow for people to simply like upload, say, like a spreadsheet of all their past projects with this information, and then like Collateral can store that and sort it and like make the graphs based on that. Gosh, we add almost way too much functionality into Collateral, but this is exactly what it takes, guys. All right, effort, extra Fable. Oh, we're at 38%, guys. Let's go. Yeah, we'll do extra. I think that'll be cool functionality. It'll be worth it. I still have Claude spamming me for permission. Guys, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you like this stream. Make sure you follow, because we have a lot to do still in Collateral, the all-in-one engineering workspace. Once again, my name is Nick, the CEO and founder of Collateral, and I'm so happy to be working on this project with you guys. Let's build, let's ship it, and let's make a difference in this world. Come on, folks. Okay, back to the tools here. There's a frame designer in here that I'm not too happy about. Like, do we need it? Because we have a frame checker. I think we're simply doing too much here. Oh no. Oh, there's just oh, that is cool. That's not, I know you can't necessarily do that with In the steel frame designer, once it's in frame, you need to see that the visuals for the reactions are red and green, which doesn't make sense. It doesn't look good, and they get in the way of the actual structure, so you need to move it. You could kind of almost make it like table format and look better, like following the theme of Collateral, and away from the structure so it doesn't get in the way there. Overall, wherever we have like in the member force results, I think the underscores look bad, and therefore it would be better if like the following letter was just like a subscript. So N subscript A, for example. Do this all throughout. Send that via Opus. Okay, just got to see if our Capital Command Center got going, because I want to see if we can finally get our clipping agent to be working, guys. Still working away. That was a Sonnet low prompt. 43% for a 5-hour limit already, guys. Yikes. Our total weekly's at 14%. Fable's at 20%. And we have 3 days left to use it, guys. We need to max the frick out of this thing. It truly, like, if you guys don't know already, you need to use Fable 5 for any difficult task that you have in your life. It will get it in one shot. That's all it takes. Stop messing around with Sonnet. Don't waste your time with Opus. Don't even bother with Haiku. Just go right to Fable. Yap your biggest problem in life, and just hit send. That's all it takes. Okay. There's got to be better. Do we really have all of these sections? I'm going to send a crazy Fable prompt. I don't care. Or maybe I shouldn't waste my time with it yet. Yeah, let's just keep working. All right, next tool. So this is a wood truss and frame designer. So now I got to think about this. Wood truss and steel truss and frame? Yes, that makes sense. Because you're obviously not going to build a concrete truss and a concrete frame, whatever. Okay, this is good. It looks like we have almost everything. 2 ply. So they're not allowing for 2 ply 2x6. But almost everything else. Fable medium coming right up, guys. I need you to do a significant review of, in both the steel truss and frame designer and the wood truss and frame designer, I need you to take a deep dive review of the section sizes and like the families, and make sure that we have everything that would be required in building these frames and making these tools useful, and B, like ensuring that we have accurate results and accurate analysis numbers. For example, section size, I don't have a 2-ply 2x6 in the wood truss frame designer. We need to make sure that's there, for example. Trusses could be built with like 2x2s or 1x3s. Consider also in the wood truss and even like the frame designer is like 1x3s, 2x2s could be built. Are these things 2x3s are common? All right, Fable medium. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. Let's make a simple truss. Does it do that? Yeah. Okay, it's a little offset. That's okay. Pin roller. Again, I could care less about that. There's no loading. Load. -10 kilonewtons. Would you look at that? And now, does it allow me to move this? Not really. On the wood truss designer, we need to allow it such that the user can move the point load along the members, and then it shows like the axial and bending implications of it. You can take a look at the steel truss designer where we've allowed for this functionality. I need this to just be copied into like the wood truss functionality. Actually, never mind, because I realized that was the whole point of truss. Doesn't see it. Oh, this is problematic. As you can see on the steel truss designer, I have a determinate truss. I have restraint conditions and I have point loads, but there doesn't appear to be any analysis results. I need you to ensure that analysis results are provided. We could Fable low that. 45%. Okay, guys, I think our Capital Command Center should be up and at it. We had some significant pull requests come in on that one, so we're just going to... this is out of date, but I'm going to do some magic in the background here and update it. Please be good to me. Okay. Give me instructions on how to view this in localhost using terminal. I just have to give I always have to give instructions to, or get instructions from ChatGPT on how to actually open it up as a local host. And it's always npm install npm run dev. That's another side question I gotta ask. What is an npm? Oh, and that reminds me, we sent something to Claude Chat, just simply asking how we can get agents. And that had to do with npm, no? npm run bridge. Yeah, that's a terminal prompt. Anthropic key. Yeah, and I'm just hoping this is just free. Like, people are able to throw their subscriptions into terminal and then just simply have the terminal open there. But Claude Code is a CLI on your desktop, and browser cannot spawn a terminal process directly. This is true. You cannot spawn terminal from Google Chrome. The bridge is the middleman. The canvas talks to it over a local socket and runs Claude for you and streams the output back. The catch for launch, an HTTPS page on Vercel taken. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I had no doubt. Vercel can't see it. Canvas user interface, web page served. Well, local bridge. Yeah. Why Vercel changes the picture. Sounds like something I give to Clock Code. Oh, that's hilarious. Start the bridge. npm run bridge. Oh, I'm procrastinating here. Because we have npm run dev. Terminal. I gotta open terminal from that. Anyways, you see a line like that. Leave this terminal open if it exists. Press nothing. Send me out output. Well, no, the thing is, we eventually want to send this as a desktop app using Tori. Oh, it's telling me right here. Ship the desktop app, Tori or Electron. The bridge runs inside the app. No mixed content or private problem at all. It's the clean long-term answer. You're already valid. For the launch, demo the desktop provider yourself. Yeah, it's just gonna be Tori, so. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look. Oh, might have Okay, no, we got it. It's gonna boot up our streams. There they are. Okay, I want to see how well it does in clipping our newest video, for example. We just got a new subscriber. Whoever that is, thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome to the club. Many good things are coming. Guys, I just want to say, what a day. We have already, I uploaded this maybe an hour and a bit ago. We're already up to 2 comments. Oh, one of them's... Look at that, guys. You gotta love hate mail. This is what keeps me motivated. This doesn't send me down anything. That guy got 3 likes. He's got more likes on that than I do on here. Let's see. And he produced nothing of value. Cannot puke what you have not eaten. He didn't produce anything of value, for he has no value. I'm gonna give a heart to that. Let's go, guys. Hate mail keeps me motivated. Because if these guys are willing to just chirp me about this, you know what I say? Like, yes, I understand that I am uploading a lot of cringe at the moment. It's cringy what I'm doing. It's embarrassing. It's out of the comfort zone of what me or any of my friends and I would be doing. And these guys are recognizing that. And I see that as a compliment. These guys are seeing that I am doing something cringy, quirky. But I just see that as like, this is the first step into content creation, to creating something of value, of importance, is learning, is uploading things, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't, and then building up from there. So guys, like, this is good news that we have guys chirping us, because I just see this as, yes, we're on the first steps and people are willing to chirp it, then that means we're doing something right. I'd rather have bad comments than no comments. I am a little jealous though. He's got 3 likes, and do I count as one of those likes if I heart it? Maybe. Either way, let's go, guys. 1,000 views. Yeah, I get hate mail, but 1,000 views. So I don't know what you're saying. I have no value. I got 1,000 views on a video. Okay. Anyways, let's see what we can clip from our latest video. And guys, that goes to show, like, I doubt it, but I just imagine that. Wait, latest short, Fable 5 Maxine? No. I just simply see that as, guys, like, does that mean they looked at my channel? Because that's another cool thing. It's like, if they're willing to say I have no value, then that is simply saying, like, oh, they took a look at my channel. They wanted to see what value I had. They looked at my other clips. Like, let's go. That's exactly what we're talking about. Okay. Enough procrastinating. We are simply going to see if our 8 view video now, I bet both of those guys watched that. The best time to start building the product of your dreams is today. Let's go. New subscriber 10 minutes ago. Let's give him a quick shout out. Basan Sidan. Thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Great stuff is coming along the way. And I promise you, I do have value, and I cannot wait to share it with you, my friend. Okay, so we're going to see if uploading a link works. Because there's also upload a video file, and I noticed that works pretty fast. I would just want to see if we can... Oh, look at that. Guys, I love Fable so much. It one-shotted this. Like, look, it's previewing the clip. You can't see because I'm pretty static on those. I'm hovering over it, and it's previewing the clip as I hover over it. That is insane. Insane, guys. Okay, so we're going to do a test of if I were to send the link versus if I were to upload the clip. We could do a cheeky, cheeky little prompt. To capital command. I want it such that you see how we have an upload a video file button. I want it such that I'm able to also just like drag and drop onto like near this button, and that does the same thing as uploading that file to the clip generator. Guys, Fable 5 changes the world. Guys, I was having so many troubles. I was using GPT mostly to work on this clip generator. Oh my word. Stop wasting your time. Do not use GPT models, guys. The future is in Claude. The future is in Mythos. The future is Fable 5. Don't mess around with anything else. It's not worth it. Come on. Come on. I got goosebumps again. We are fired up. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. 42 minutes into the stream. You guys can see that I do. I kind of have like an ADHD brain in some ways, because I find myself like, oh, I got to work on like fixing all these tools. Oh, but actually, I'm really curious about like implementing agents, but I'm also curious about how our clip generator is going to work. I try to do 3 things at once. I think it's definitely less effective than just focusing on one thing at a time, but hey, what do you do? Oh, I did tell it like reduce AI slop, and I didn't do that. That was an extra. I did say give transitions. I don't know if those are ever gonna. Are these just slow? It says ready. They're all black right now. Uploads have no platform transcript. Whole stream audio energy. So the louder I yell, the more likely I'm able to trigger a clip. Ooh. Yeah, we'll send a quick. Guys, this is insane. Uh-oh. My whole computer just froze there for a moment. Okay, it's just really slow. Guys, look at that. You hover and it gives a preview. Mind you, it's a quickie. I need you to see that when I go to some old clips, it shows a black screen, and it's very, very, very slow in showing like the preview of these at least. I need you to make it so that like the previews of these show up much faster, like upon going to that project. And I need it such that like when I hover over the video, it gives like a little preview, and I think that is amazing. I need the preview to be a bit longer because it cuts out in just like half a second. I need it such that it shows like at least 5 seconds of the clip. We're gonna Fable high, guys. Like this model is so good. There we go. So it finally did everything. Oh, this is the new clip. Okay, so it did come up with a nice title. The best time to build your dream product is today. Okay, mind you, that's just because I gave it the link to the YouTube video. All right, let's see what it gave us. If I were to just download. So it's just going to give us, I think, the 9 by 16. The best time to start building the product of your dreams is today. How's it going, guys? My name is Nick. I am the CEO. So that's just 0 to 30 second. Lateral, the all-in. So you can see some of the clips overlap. So the 14-second mark to 55. Ooh, some of these are really long. 37 seconds. I need it such that the clips that we generate are no longer than 30 seconds unless it's like necessary that there was a long stretch of like 45 seconds, for example, that something was there. Typically, I'd prefer for clips to be between 15 and 30 seconds. Unless am I just that good? Like, so if I open clip, let's take a look at, so yeah, it knows that these are the most important. Yeah, it's not necessarily in an order. Like, these got a score and these didn't. That's fine. Let's open this one, for example. Yeah, see, guys, it's still awfully slow. But an engineering workspace. If you guys don't know me, I work as a structural engineer. And I don't mind it giving Ontario, us the Canada, 9 by 16s. And I've always had this pain point in the engineering world. Sorry, I gotta stop. The idea that there's so many different products. Look at this. Look at the closed captioning. Fable 5 can do it all, folks. Uh-oh. This clip's video isn't available. Couldn't be loaded. May have been removed. Shoot. Is it just because I'm doing this whole local host thing once again? Or... Oh, you see the transitions, guys? Come on. And then look at this. Like, it clips from this stream. Okay, so 4 was just broken. Never mind. You just have to refresh it. I might take a screenshot and just say Fable fixed this, and it literally will do that. Look at the closed caption. If you guys don't know me, I work as a structural engineer in Ontario, Canada, and I've always had this
goosebumps, guys.
In the engineering
Are you
world
kidding me?
The idea that there's
Look
so
at
many
the
different
closed
products
captioning.
out there. There's so many different windows
Look at
that
it.
you have
It's
to have open.
amazing.
And for something that
That is
requires
such
so
good
much
quality.
checking of
Oh
safety,
my word.
it's really an issue that there can be so much human error in I gotta send a text. This is unbelievable. This model, the capabilities, folks. Face lead. Oh my word. Don't know me. I work as a structural. Yeah, there's not much to show there. I did tell it to help me. I am amazed. And it's, look, it's matching this purple. Like, I love purple. I love Dracula. Look at this. So screen and face, I've always had, is still messed up. Well, no. It's weird, huh? Yeah, it's... Oh, you can... Guys, like, Fable is just cleaning this up. I need to just max it out to fix my clip editor. The closed captioning is insane. This pain point in the engineering world with the idea that there's so many different products out there. There's so many. I need it such that we're able to. The closed captioning, by the way, is phenomenal. I need you to allow it such that like when I go to captions, there's an option to change the color of the highlighted word. So by default right now it's yellow. You need to give like just like a dozen different options for the color for that to be. So I can then choose for it to be purple, for example. I don't understand this. Oh, that's just if I want to change it. That's insane. Guys, that is insane. Like, I am mind blown. It's already there. Holy... Oh, my... I'm losing it, guys. This is insane what this model is able to do. Mind you, there's too many. I would never make the highlight color, like... Oh, I can't... Why can't I screenshot? Style. It has many in Ontario, Canada, and I've always had this pain point. Karaoke. In the world with the idea that there's so many different products out there. There's so many different windows that you have to have open, and for something that requires... Guys, like, this is insane. This is insane. I could just throw text in there, logo, watermark, clip volume, add track. Yeah, that's going to be a little crazy. I wonder if there's like some default tracks I could just have in there and I could just throw it in. Can't Gemini make some tracks? Mind you, I don't have any paid version of Gemini. Oh. Hey, Gemini, I am a... Oh, what just happened to my bottom bar? Oh, my word. You guys see my computer's freezing up now? Okay, this is insane. Mind you, we just have to fix up... Look at that. Okay, center and blur is like a nice easy... I've always had this pain point in the engineering world with the idea that there's so many different drop and fill, guys. Like there. Nothing. There's so many different windows that you have to have open, and for something that requires so much checking of safety, we could just zoom in, but of course, like the quality is horrible there. Again, I'm freezing up. I know it's a lot. Maybe I just like make this a desktop app of my own. I know there's a lot of YouTubers that sell their clipping agents. I call it agents, but it's not AI. It's just I really want to see how well it took the prompt of me saying, like, just upload it to my YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Now, again, it's freezing up on me. Guys, it's right there. I was just using it incorrectly. Can be so much human error in transferring numbers from one page, face and screen. Although I gotta say, oh, but face is like they're saying, oh, choose where your face is. Guys, that's insane. To the other, and so that's why I decided to build Collateral. If you guys could take a look here, beautiful canvas we got going on. Takes its time loading up, but guys, the captions are amazing. I work as a structural engineer in Ontario, Canada, and I've always had this pain point in the engineering world with the only thing is the idea that there's so many different products out there. That's amazing, guys. There's so many different windows that you have to have open, and for something that requires so much checking of safety, it's really an issue that there can be so much human error in transferring numbers. We simply reduce the number of colors that they could choose from just like a dozen, for example. Make it so that like purple, like Dracula purple is one of them at least. Guys, Claude is changing the world. I got 65% of my 5 hour and 27% Fable total. Today's the 4th, tomorrow's the 5th, Monday's the 6th, Tuesday it's gone. Tuesday's gone in the wind. Guys, now, like, this is insane. I need it such that I'm able to, like, click the captions on the preview, like in Clip Editor, and I'm able to just simply, like, move around and scale the size of the captions and where they're located. Fable gets it done, guys. Let's see what the text options are. Title card. This is amazing. Where is our title card, though? We can drop text. By collateral. Oh, I can't fix it there. Nothing Fable can't do. I need it such that I'm able to change the text. Like simply, I'm double clicking it like right on the preview. Also, I noticed title card doesn't really do anything. And I don't even see it. I need you to maybe just get rid of it because we can just have this functionality in text. And image, logo, and watermark. I think we should have have it where when we put in a logo or a watermark, like that stays stored and saved, and so that like when I go to other clip previews, I simply just like toggle on our default logo or watermark, and it's the same one everywhere throughout. Guys, I have been blown away by this model. If you guys are still using ChatGPT, like just talking to chat in there, you guys need to take the next step. You're missing out. This, like, the future is now, and it's only going to get more insane. We're accelerating. It's not linear growth, guys. We're going. It's mind-blowing what we are able to do now. Oh, woof. Well, okay, so I do notice that this stream is just going down to an hour, but I'm almost confident that this clipping agent can accomplish this. I don't want to cut this too short. Enter mono is funny. Impact is meme. Like, I love this. It's from one page, one window. Okay, let's see what export does. All changes. There's no point in click and save because it just saves as we go. Generate a title from captions. Oh, it's right there. At least it lets me change it. That's not a good. We need it such that this generate a title from captions button, like every time you click it, it generates a new one. So then it's almost like it's just like randomizing it based on of the captions still, of course. It's just because like sometimes the first one that it gives is not good, and therefore we have to like re-roll the dice of what it will give us. Okay, let's see what export does, guys. I am presets. Oh, Collateral Purple. I'm not a fan of that. And so the Collateral Purple preset, I'm not a fan of the purple window, but I like the purple color that you chose. So just get rid of the purple box around it and it'll just be text, and the text needs to be centered. Okay, I still haven't clicked export. Let's see it. Oh my word, YouTube Shorts, YouTube long form. That's funny. Social Square. Portrait social. So obviously, like, well, it's cool. Like, YouTube long form, like that's not what this is gonna make for us anymore. Although, guys, we have 3 viewers. What's going on, guys? Good to see you here. Welcome to the stream. If you're new here and you're not subscribed, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. We are building the future as we go. Fable 5 is in our hands, and I've never been happier in my life, guys. I'm permanently smiling. Permanently smiling. Just joy. Tears running down my eyes, guys. Currently, right now, we're just building our clipping editor thingamabobber. And I'm just trying to see, is there a way in which we can automate... Guys, we're up to 12 subscribers. We have 5 people watching, guys. Come on. That's what we're talking about. Good to see you. Jeff, bang the drum, you say? What would you like to hear? Ah! Yeah, let's go, baby. Bang it for Fable 5. Bang the drum, mate. Arden, you want to hear it? Hold on, hold on. You know it. Aiden, what's going on here? Delippy in the chat. I knew Arden D had to be something. Good to see you guys here. Let's go! Come on, folks. That's what we're talking about. Saturday night at 9 o'clock. They're partying. We're working. Let's get to it. Oh, I'm just hearing my stream now. Harder. Ah, Spear Beast. Everyone's in here. This is great. Thank you guys for subscribing, by the way. We are flying right now. Okay. Let's get back to work here. Export video. Whoo! Come on. Come on, folks. This is just the beginning. Okay, export. It's taking a while. Got me all type of freaky. No. No, you like that. Should we hop on 2K17 right now? Let's just live stream that. My player. Or my career. We gotta bring it back. Bring it back, folks. Okay, one tool at a time. while we let our clip editor keep cooking. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Steel beam designer. This is different from our quick beam. Right off the bat, we need these diagrams to be available right away. There's still a lot of garbage. Some of us may call that AI slop. Okay, I'm just gonna simply collateral. I need it such that the shear, bending moment, and deflection diagrams show up as soon as the user spawns in and drops a Steel Beam Designer card. These need to be previewed. You can take a look at the Quick Beam tool and see how that is organized to give inspiration of how this should be organized. Also, the download JSON button needs to be removed, as this is absolutely useless to us. That's how we prompt, folks. That's how we do it. Molly Blooms, Jeff. My name is Jeff. We could. You know what? Let's live stream this at Molly Blooms. Why not? Guys, I appreciate the support. This is just beautiful what we got going on here. Got me feeling all type of freaky. What else do I not like about this tool? That's kind of cool. Holy, we got enough types there. HSS round, square. Ooh, we need a lot more. Fable 5, carry us through. Oh. You know what? We'll make it high, because this is an important one here. I need it such that all the families of the steel options require a larger library of trial sections. So for example, the HSSs, you only provide 4. There needs to be nearly every single possible one that is provided by CISC in the design handbooks. Currently, what we have right now is not feasible. So take a look in CSA applicable codes, CISC for practical shapes and all of their capacity values, and simply provide these in all steel tool cards. Why not? What do we got going on here? Pooksy. Just asking what kind of steels this is working for. This is just hot rolled steel. 350 MPa or ASTM, CSA. We don't have the cool steels, but you know what? I know we're going to expand Collateral to more than just a structural engineering workspace. It's going to be an engineering workspace in general. We may have to expand to all types of materials. This is just the beginning, guys. This is just the beginning. We're just going... Oh, wait. By now, we should have... Okay, we haven't exported... Oh, the tool cards show up after. Yikes. If you guys don't know me, I work as a... Oh, wow. So we can download the clip. I don't know what these downloads do, but... Collateral watermark. Oh, my word. That was one thing I asked for, and it already does it. Mind you, the collateral watermark is missing a few things, but we can change that. Also, this would be hidden, I think, on YouTube Shorts. Like, this is usually where it's like the sound and the title are, so we wouldn't be able to see it pop up there. Guys, we got 7 folks in the live stream now. I'd say 5 of them may be my friends. 1 of them is me. We might have 1 more stranger in the chat, but who knows? Who knows what we got? All right. Downloaded the clip. If you guys don't know me, yeah. So those title cards show up now. Yeah. Might just do a quick prompt there just to fix that up. Hit the 6-7 for a boy. I didn't know, like, is 6-7 the same as a whip dab nay nowadays? If there's a 6-7 that pops up for some reason on stream, why not? We'll do it. I need you to see that there was never a preview for title cards and it shows up on the export and it doesn't look good. Just as a follow-up, you need to just simply get rid of these title cards in general because I won't use them. I'll simply just use text if it really matters. Hit that 6-7 for a boy. If you guys see, Delippy is my #1 fan. Aiden is #2. Jeff is #3. Oh, it says Steven Spiro is #3 actually. This is pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Take a look at that chat, folks. Come on. Come on. I think you guys need to race for #1. Someone needs to dethrone Delippy here. So if you want to be #1, get spamming in the chat. Let's get some W's in the chat. Come on. Okay, so this wasn't able to link to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. We got a heart from our #1. I'm just going to do a quick refresh here. Come on. 14 subscribers, guys. Come on. Monkey D, Pookie, Chop, Disco Break. I thought we have a Pooksy and Monkey D Pookie. I'm loving it, guys. Come on. Do we have 2 Parker accounts here? Okay. So we simply downloaded the clip, but now sent that one prompt. 5 viewers. Let's go. Don't worry about it. I got you the double feature. Come on. Thank you, Monkey D. Okay. Back to work here. We simply need... although I don't want to spend money, so if it requires some weird API key, I don't want anything to do with it. Just checking to see if these puppies work. Maybe not. Guys, this turned out to be the greatest live stream ever. Thank you guys for showing up once again on a Saturday night. Uh-oh. This is our problem. The previews don't load. I got you with the 2-time. Oh, because we have Steven Spiro 4497 and we have Steven Spiro. Thank you guys. We got 4 likes. Come on. Fire me the frick up. Yeah, we do have some errors going on here. Let me know if you guys like the music or hate it. I just chose a royalty-free Spotify live stream playlist. I think some songs are pretty fun and hype, and some of them are a little goofy, but hey. Okay, this is awfully slow now. It's not. We're still having issues in which the clip is blacked out for a significant amount of time. I need you to review how these clips are generated into the space, and if there's a way to have it such that the previews are viewing instantly, we need to implement that functionality. So goofy. Saiwan motherfucking Lee, what's going on? We got everyone in here. Come on. So goofy. All right. That's still a tad broken, but Uh-oh. That's what happens. Internal server error. Womp womp. Okay, well, we'll kill that for now. We'll keep building away. Okay, this is not good. We pull up the card and we don't see anything. Simple screenshot. Collateral. I need you to see that the canvas for the interactive column designer, like when the card is spawned in, it doesn't actually show the canvas right away. So you need to get rid of the text. You need to get rid of the buttons that, well, never mind. Don't get rid of the buttons. Make the title smaller such that we can actually see the interactive canvas first and foremost. Her. Oh, that's cool. I want a better way of plugging in the loads. Is the moment calculated from the section there? Maybe. Oh, it really is. Look at that. Right off there. Amazing. Yeah, I'm proud of this one. Wherever you see engineer notes, we simply just need to get rid of that across all tools because this defeats the purpose of writing notes within the canvas area. So within tools, get rid of this. Come on, folks. Saturday night. If you guys are still there, if you want me to shotgun a beer, we need this stream up to 7 likes and I'll shotgun a beer. Steel connection capacity. That is a horrible tool. Any references back to SteelDyn and Schematic Designer in any of the tools need to be removed, simply because there's no point in it because now we're working in the Canvas environment. That we could just spawn it in as separate cards anyway. So any references across all tools to these buttons, or frankly any of the enterprises, any links to those can be removed within the tools. Monkey D Pookie Pook says, this is crazy to make the video editing software. Yeah, it's amazing what technology is able to bring us nowadays. This was just a matter of a few prompts. We were able to simply have it where our live stream, hopefully eventually we can somewhat automate it, where it just takes the link from our live stream, breaks it down into 10 clippable moments. And I think it breaks it down based on, well, it's able to, if you give it the link, it's able to look at the transcript of the live stream. It's able to order the clips based on how loud the clip is and the contents of what's in the transcript. So if you say a really big cool number, or if you're freaking out, it'll catch that in the transcript and it'll rank it as like, this is the most like viral clip that you have in the stream. And then yeah, with that, it's got the closed captioning, which I thought works terrifically. You can add text boxes, you can change the ordering there, download it. And then the next step we're trying to get across with this is, can we just sort of automate uploading it with a title and all the hashtags to 3 different platforms on scheduled times. So then like across the next couple days, it'll just upload clips from highlights of the stream. So that's what we're planning for the next little bit. Still in the early stages of it all, but we're proud of what we're doing here. Okay. I need you to review the steel column capacity checker and see that when a card is opened, the canvas is not the first thing that pops up. It needs to be. So you need to bring that to the top, shrink the title, reduce the amount of text there, and have all the options below that. Overall, all underscores need to be removed, and we have to change that to like VF subscript, for example. Do this across all tools and ensure that the canvas is the first thing that pops up when we are opening up a new tool card. Good stuff. Who needs an editor? Holy shit. Yeah. Yeah, that's the goal, is you just have fun, just building away, and then try to build a YouTube audience around it. I got you guys, so thank you so much. I just started uploading shorts just not too long ago, and that's where Aiden started to pick up, because for some reason he was subscribed to me from years ago, and yeah, we're just uploading clips, and I think if we remain consistent, try to get like 3 shorts a day, even if they're just like garbage and corny and cheesy, I think just getting the exposure of what we're doing here is good progress. So, base plate. Oh, base plate designer. That's not good. I thought we had. I knew it. We have 2 base plate designers, don't we? Ah, boy. Yeah. Oh, dear. Oh, that's cool. I haven't even ever seen this one, to be honest. Huh. Yeah. I think this one's more functional. Yeah. And it's better that it's tied into the column. You get the load directly onto it. Or do you? 500, 200, and 1. 201. Yeah, edit here or on it. Both stay in sync. Okay, that's fine. That's good. Although the moment at the column is not. Ooh, that's a key structural analysis error right there from Claude. Just taking a screenshot there. I need you to see that there is a critical structural analysis error that you have here. The moment on the column is taken down to the base plate design, and this is not the case because we have the base is pinned, and therefore the moment at the base plate is actually 0. What you're doing is you're taking the maximum column moment, and that's not what's being applied to the base plate. So I need you to allow functionality to change the base to fixed, and therefore change the bending moment diagram results respectively, and then B, have it such that the moment carried down to the base plate is only a matter of what is at the base of the column. %, until 10 o'clock. Oh, shoot. We are burning through our usage. We are burning. Thanks again, guys, for coming into the live stream. Means a lot. It's been tough last couple days just streaming down to nobody, but now we got a little bit of an audience, so thank you guys. Okay. No, that's another thing. Oh, wait, we're deleting this. This base plate designer tool is not used because there's one that's embedded within steel column and base plate. Therefore, we can delete this base plate designer tool. Get rid of it entirely. Four folks in the stream. Next tool. Let's take a look what we got here. This one's a little AI sloppy. This was one of the first ones that I built. I need you to do a review of the user interface of the HSS Pure Torsion Checker. Currently, it does not match the user interface of Collateral. You need to change it to match the theme of what Collateral is providing. In addition, the canvas looks a little cartoony and it's taking up too much space. I need you to compact it. I need you to make the section view arrows less dynamic. I need you to get rid of the subtext below the title. Yeah, that's good enough prompt. All right. Oh, one thing I should have said is, furthermore, the canvas should be matching the theme of Collateral. Currently, it's just a bunch of different colors. All right. Got these tools cooking. We could start moving down here. Right now, we're just going tool by tool. Mind you, I do really want to go back to that clipping agent. I'm going to update the changes there, and we're going to take a look at it. I need you to merge all pull requests for capital command to main, resolving conflicts along the way. This is brutal. Yeah. I shouldn't have to be prompting every single time to say bring it all up. Export, goodness gracious. I need you to look at the steel web bearing and stiffener designer. It simply just shows a bunch of tables. The canvas needs to be the first thing that pops up when we open the tool, and this needs to be consistent across all tools that pop up. Get rid of the links to Steel Enterprise, Steel Beam Designer, and connection capacity, and overall simplify this tool. Make it simple. Get rid of the export button. And get rid of code basis and units because that is all in settings already. Ooh, I thought we got rid of that top bar. All right. Ooh. Oh, we got some new subscribers. Thank you, folks. Thank you so much. All right. Other than that, I'm not a fan of this tool. Furthermore, I need you to do a review of the interactive diagrams canvases. They need to match the theme of Collateral in terms of user interface, and you could see that the text sometimes gets in the way of like the dimensions, and in the section, for example, we need to clean those up. We're at 90% usage. It resets at 10. By then, well, that's in 15 minutes. We'll run out, or we'll be just fine. Okay, next tool. Ooh, that doesn't look good. Some of these icons, not great. I need you to do a review of the icons from the drop a tool menu. You can see that some of them actually like don't look like the tool that it's actually providing for. Clean these up, make them much more simple. Oh, I'm gonna Fable prompt that, and that's gonna kill it. It's gonna kill our usage. That might be our last prompt, to be honest. Because we got like 5 more working in the background. Yeah, let's just do that. Lots and lots and lots of tools, guys. The all-in-one engineering workspace coming soon to a desktop application near you. Collateral. Uh-oh. I just hit my limit. Oh, no. Oh, too ambitious. There are 4 chats that didn't make it through. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is disappointing. Oh, well. Well, we had fun there. Guys, I might end the stream there. I think we had tons of fun. It's almost 10 o'clock. Wow. That was great. I'm so happy we had all the fellas come into the chat, support us all the way. This was great. When I first got told to hit the drum, I had no clue what was going on there. I just woke up and I was like, oh my word, we have 5 viewers now. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you haven't already, make sure you like the stream. Make sure you follow for some more content. Lots coming along the way, as you can see from our clipping, editing studio. It's amazing what Fable 5 is able to accomplish for us, guys. If you haven't already, you need to take a deep dive into everything that Claude offers. You need to take a deep dive into building a GitHub repository, building these tools locally. There is no point. I don't know what the world is going to turn into because it's almost worrisome how fast technology is coming, in which I'm building Collateral, and I just feel like in 5 years the models are just going to be a one-shot to build what is taking me hours upon hours upon hours. And so again, like, I've considered, do I buy like some sort of clipping program that's able to take my long form videos and clip them? There's no point. You might as well just vibe code your own version of these tools, guys. It is truly amazing what we're able to do. Again, we are going to try to sell Collateral to engineers across all disciplines, not just structural. As you can see, we're still very heavily emphasized on structural, but hopefully we could get some more hands on Collateral and see different types of engineers like plug in their tools. But overall, you can see the vision that we're coming with here, guys. the all-in-one engineering workspace. Let's show a cooler one, the demo one. Our all-in-one engineering workplace, you can drop in whatever you want, your calendars, your to-do lists, all your tools, PDFs, existing spreadsheets, your AI agents. The list goes on and on. There is no point in working in multiple different programs and platforms anymore. Use Collateral as your all-in-one engineering workspace. Anyways, that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into the chat. I love you all. Peace out. Toodaloo. Farewell. Live long and prosper.